A 19T UP version 4 turbos. This car had a lot of issues.
96 plus, what, you have another?
I'm gonna run it. Guys, thanks for tuning out today's video. I'm Gabe, here with Bryce. What's up, guys? And we've got a really fascinating, fun-filled vlog for you guys today. We're gonna first go to Homestead Speedway for the Give Back charity event. Yeah. Get some laps there. I'm still debating whether or not I should take the Camaro. The tires are pretty bald and I'm a little worried.
You need to stop being a puss.
This is his E92 M3. Is that straight pipe? Yeah. Hopefully we'll see some really nice cars. They're doing some nice laps, and then we'll see where the rest of the day takes us. Jeez, my parachute just went off. That is absolutely ridiculous. Oh my gosh. Look at what's out here, guys. I know, man. It got me loving Ferraris again, I swear. Is that the new M8? Oh, it is. That thing is so hard. What is this, bro?
Track ready.
Track ready? On God, bro. Holy shit. I think that might be just a little bit louder than mine. A little bit louder than mine, bro. So that yellow Camaro was actually a guy that came up to me and like said, "Hey, are you GV aspirated?" Which was really nice to hear that. That made me feel really nice, man. Thank you for, you know, saying hi. You know what? I think I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna run it. All right, guys, so we are officially legal. We will be participating in the 3 laps, which is more than enough, I think. It's a compromise. We're gonna go ahead and film Bryce's car going on the 10 lap. We're waiting for our friend Felipe with the brand new G80 M4. And then afterwards, we'll take my car on. But for now, let's just enjoy some of the awesome cars that are competing, well, not competing, but are just enjoying this beautiful sunny day. Dade Supra. 54 gang right here. 135, 335. That is an extraordinarily beautiful spec G80. Oh my God, I love the color. Look who finally made it. Felipe and his, I don't even know what color, it's like charcoal gray. You know, I'm actually really liking the G80 front now. I know everybody has a lot of controversial opinions on it, but it is absolutely gorgeous. Felipe, the car looks great. And look at this, a matte, kind of like purple bluish color.
my god.
Smell the dead engine.
No, no, he thinks
We're playing.
he was like, oh shit. 3 laps for $25.
Ramses was joking about blowing an engine, or do you smell the blown engine?
We do have a promotion.
I don't know what that's about, but... Okay, what happened? What happened? What did you do now? The
It
knock?
was smelling a little bit.
It was smelling, the temperature was going up.
Yeah, maybe it was like a 250.
The temperature was moving along with the speed. How did it feel on the turns?
Oh, amazing.
Yeah? Look at this. Oh my gosh. All right guys, so I just had to stop the conversation and the car spotting to come over here and look at the brand new Maserati MC20. This just came out, and this is Maserati's brand new supercar. This is gorgeous. Look at that. It truly is incredible to see a car like this out in a place like this where it really belongs. Look at that interior with the little baby seat and everything. How awesome. Wow. This is so cool to see this in person. Oh wow, this is just incredible. Look at this mid-engine. All right, boys, we are inside Felipe's G80 M4.
Oh, that's you, Aston Martin.
No, that's the...
Bro, that's the MC20, bro. Maserati.
There you go.
Let's go. We're live, boy.
Alright, I can play some Metallica.
Oh yeah, blood.
I'm gonna play Metallica.
Oh my god. I know what I'm not doing. Oh, holy shit! Dude, this man is a monster!
I definitely was the rowdiest on the track right now.
100%. 100%.
Felipe, what do you see these videos we got?
Yo, Felipe, that shit was intense, bro. Thank you for the ride, bro.
You good?
Very good. What an incredible experience. And again, we were 4 people inside this car. 4 people, and it was just able to handle and accelerate and just overall have an extraordinary time. I mean, we definitely did the riskiest thing, but we had the most fun. Absolutely. All right, so I think now we're gonna go ahead and start getting ready for us to go again. I'm definitely not gonna drive like that, okay? I'm definitely not.
Felipe is insane, dude.
Oh, yo, look, speaking of insane.
60, first level.
I think we found the suspect. Oh.
No, thank God I didn't do it.
Yo, look, they're all pointing.
5 George is en route to 496 Broadway. Do you have another assignment here, sir?
Bro, what is going on right now? They literally brought the cop. He's probably banned for life. So that guy did commit a crime, but he made absolutely perfect circles here. M3's lip just came off and they came to pick it up.
No, I think it was the 2-piece lips.
Oh my god. Yo, today has been so chaotic. Look how good she looks on the track. About time. It's about time. But guys, look, I'm really skeptical about these tires. So I'm gonna be very, very cautious when I drive. All right, yo, guys. So I'm a little bit nervous, not gonna lie. First time. I think 3 laps is more than enough, but I'm gonna try my best to not crash. Jonathan, thank you so much for being a part of this, recording it, and I hope I make this experience fun for you.
I hope I don't die.
bad as I thought. I was kind of, you know, exaggerating. This was really fun, dude. Oh my gosh. Pa arriba, pa abajo, pa el centro, pa... Olvídate. Yeah. Chipotle, please sponsor me. I'm a shareholder. Ooh, that sounds nice. Oh!
Hola, señor.
Senor. Guys, this is George. He came out in the last video. If you guys haven't seen that, he had purchased this 335i with some, you know, faults. Got some big plans, big ambitions, and he's now working on it. Yeah, oh, both of them have been working on it.
Me and Alessandro have been going pretty hard on this. This guy's a master wrench, man. Like he is killing it.
Very stubborn is what I am.
Yeah. And he figures out how to get it done. So we've had a lot of hurdles.
Que bonito.
Yeah, no, brand new. This car had a lot of issues that we didn't know about
until now.
Yeah, but luckily all the parts that we bought are, you know, going to take care of a lot of those problems. I didn't tell you. I texted you yesterday. I didn't tell you. So we found.
Oh yeah, yo, can I guess? An animal, a dead animal for sure.
No, worse. No, I think that's the.
Yeah, no.
Is that it?
We took this out of the car, bro.
Okay, so you know how like when you change the what do you call it? The filter,
yeah.
the filter for the dual cone intake. Somebody had put a rag in there or like a little paper towel in there, forgot to take it out, put the cone back in, so my turbo was starved of air the whole time. Try to.
No, yeah, impossible. So that right there is what caused the whole entire.
We don't know.
What?
I think that's what blew my turbo.
Yeah.
I think that happened at the shop I took it to do the initial maintenance. So basically everything's relocated already. Coolant reservoir, active steering pump, coolant sensor, the charge pipe. I don't know what kind of charge pipe it is, but it mimics the 335D, so the blow-off valve is back in there, so we're clear on this side. And yeah, so now all that's left is to remove the rest of the exhaust manifolds, yeah, the turbos, and mount the new ones, and we'll be good to go. Here we have a set of RSF 3-inch outlets. So these are Viv 19T UP version 4 turbos, 11-blade turbine, V-band style clamp on the manifold. And they're solid. They're solid. So I'm excited to.
What do you expect to make? Right.
When everything is said and done, probably 600 horsepower.
Crank.
At least 600.
At the wheels.
At the wheels.
Bro, I wish. And he's like, oh, we should race, bro. Like, yeah, bro, yeah. But Camaro's like 390. Yeah. I can't wait to see that, like the finished product. George, good luck tonight. Hope it goes well.
Yeah.
Keep me posted. All right, man. Take it easy. Oh gosh, what an exhausting day, guys. I am beat. I got a major sunburn, as you guys can see. I think now would be a good time to go ahead and conclude this vlog. If you found this video somewhat informative and entertaining, go ahead and give this video a like. If you guys enjoy my content overall, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It means a lot, guys. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.